Hi, third graders. Ms. Fogelman here to talk to you about our math topics for the day. Today is Monday, August 31st. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, so like I said, this is our third grade math lesson and today is August 31st. I had a little quote for you here that I wanted to start your week with. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. So basically that means that you're working to improve yourself. You're not working necessarily against other people. You're working to improve yourself and to know that you're trying hard to get better. And that's all that matters. All right, our learning target today is that students will use repeated addition to solve multiplication word problems. So repeated addition is our first step towards using multiplication. So to do that, I have a word problem for us today. Dennis was buying chocolate-covered strawberries. He bought 4 boxes. Each box had 8 chocolate-covered strawberries. How many chocolate-covered strawberries did he have? So go ahead and think about that for a moment while I pull this back up so that I can annotate. All right, so we know that Dennis was buying chocolate-covered strawberries. We know he bought 4 boxes, so let's try that. Ms. Fogelman's going to try her hand at drawing. So here are our 4 boxes. So we know that he had 4 boxes, right? And within each box, he had 8 chocolate-covered strawberries. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have our picture of our 4 boxes and our 8 chocolate-covered strawberries in each box. Now, as you can see, Ms. Fogelman didn't draw an elaborate picture. She has the rectangles for her boxes and the dots for her strawberries. Now, be very neat when you do your boxes and your strawberries. That way, it's easier for you to count when you're done. So, let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's 8 in this box. So that's going to be 8. Because remember, they want to know how many chocolate-covered strawberries he had. So we have to count them. All right, so there's 8 here. What is 8 plus 8? 8 plus 8 is 16. Now, there's another 8 here. Okay, so what is 16 plus 8? 24. And then what is 24 plus 8? Because we have one more box over here. So 24 plus 8 is 32. So the answer is 32 strawberries. Now, drawing a picture is our first step in trying to figure out the answer to a problem. But this can also be seen as repeated addition. Repeated addition means if we have 4 boxes, how many 8s do we have? We actually have 4 groups of 8, right? Because here's a group, here's a group, here's a group, and here's a group, okay? So that's like saying 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And that equals, like we said over here, 32. Okay. So repeated addition means we take the group number of groups. We know that there are 4 groups, right? 4 boxes. And within each box, there are 8 chocolate-covered strawberries. So 8 in this box, 8 in this box, 8 in this box, 8 in this box gives us 32 strawberries. All right, so let me clear that and stop my sharing. Go back. All right, so still not letting me go. Give me 1 second. Here we go. How about this? There we go. Now, let's discuss how is repeated addition like multiplication, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. So we know that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 15. So it's 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3, 5 groups of 3. Now, in order to relate this repeated addition problem to this multiplication problem, we have to say that repeated addition is 5 groups of 3. So this is 5 times 3, or 5 groups of 3. Okay, so this is read, this multiplication symbol is read as groups of, 5 groups of 3. So 5 times 3, or 5 groups of 3, here are your 5 groups of 3, is 15. So that's how multiplication relates to repeated addition. All right, we're going to continue to work on this. This is only our first start with multiplication. So make sure you're getting your assignment done for today, and make sure you keep working hard. Have a good day.